Alright, what's going on YouTube? It is Alex from Techrific back again with another video, and today right in front of us we've got the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. And so I just picked these up at Best Buy not too long ago today, and these are one of what Best Buy classifies latest and greatest, which means it is one of the latest and supposedly the greatest tech products that have just dropped recently. And so they're trending. They are $329.99 on the Samsung Canada website, and so they are the latest, but are they the greatest? Today we're gonna find out in this little unboxing and first impressions. And so this is what the box looks like. You can see that we have the buds themselves, and it is a nice little black box. And so compared to the Galaxy Buds 3, which is kind of the base model of the Buds 3 Pro, you can see that the Galaxy Buds 3 is just in this little simpler white box. And so the Buds 3 Pro are in this really decked out black box, which just makes the whole unboxing experience look a little more premium. And so I got mine in the silver color. Samsung usual, we've got the two pull tabs right there. And so we're gonna pull the first one off. There you go. And the second one. Beautiful. And so here we go. Let's see the buds themselves. Slips nicely, or not. Let's see here. It's nicely snugged in there. And there you go. Here we are greeted with the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. And so it really gives this dramatic unboxing effect, just the silver, the black on the box, and how sleek and minimal they look. And so here they are. You can see that the top of the Buds case itself is clear with some Samsung branding right there. And then the bottom is kind of this shiny silver metallic look. Really nice finish. And then at the bottom, we obviously do have that USB-C. Beautiful. What else do we get inside the box? Nothing else, not even a charging port. Although at the top of the box, we do get some little packaging, an instruction manual, as you guys can see right in here, as well as that USB-C charging cable. And so it is pretty interesting what Samsung has done. Instead of packaging their cables and instruction manuals at the bottom of the box right in here, like Apple does for their AirPods, what Samsung has opted to do is place them at the top of their box, which is pretty nice and cool. And so we're just gonna set that aside and get to the buds themselves. So once you pop them right here, you can see that you have an orange and a little blue indicator. And then right there, as you guys can see, you have the blade lights that pop up. And so this is one of Samsung's newest creations and additions to the Buds 3 Pro. Right over here, you got some beautiful blade lights, which really give a nice look and aesthetic to these earbuds. Now these are IP57 water and dust resistance, and once you have active noise cancellation off, they could run up to 30 hours. And when active noise cancellation is turned on, they can run up to 26 hours. It does have a little nice control interface right over here on the tip of the earbuds. And so you could swipe, you could use pinch control, and it also has a voice command. And so what about the sound quality and what Samsung claims them to be? Well, it does come with an enhanced two-way speaker as well as a dual amplifier. It has 24-bit hi-fi audio, and it has a super wideband call with 360-degree audio. And so the weight of the earbuds itself is right around 5.4 grams. And if you add the case into that equation, it is 46.5 grams. So it is pretty lightweight and easy to carry. Now the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro do come with a Bluetooth version 5.4. And obviously being the newest, they do come with that USB-C as well as wireless charging. Now they do also support Galaxy AI, which is a feature that you could use throughout your day-to-day use in the transit, maybe when you're commuting to work or while you're traveling. Now the nice thing about Galaxy AI, and as I mentioned while you're traveling, these buds could be very useful. They have this new feature called listening and conversation mode. And so with these, you could easily hop into Galaxy AI on your Samsung device, and then they will be able to have a conversation with you and kind of like interpret what the other person is saying. So for example, if you speak English and the other person speaks Spanish, but you don't know Spanish, you could easily get a whole conversation, understand what the other person is saying, all thanks to the AI features within these earbuds, which could be very useful. And thanks to the Samsung ecosystem, they can easily switch to detect audio activity, and it can also transfer the connection to your other Samsung Galaxy devices. So this way, by connecting to other devices, you could work and play seamlessly with no interruption trying to reconnect these earbuds to another device. And so one of my personal concerns whenever I'm wearing earbuds, and also why I think many municipalities do not allow drivers to wear earbuds while driving, is because if there's an alarm or a siren that goes off, you will not be able to hear them per se. Now, the nice thing about the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro is that they can automatically detect when an alarm or siren is being played. And so you could listen to everything with peace of mind, knowing that siren detect is going to automatically switch back to ambient mode, allowing you to hear sirens and stay alert, which is super sweet. And so other than the design and the look, as well as those features that we talked about, these are the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. I can't wait to see how they test out in my week, and I'll be giving you guys a full review later on. So stay tuned for that Instagram reel or shorts where I give you guys my full honest impressions. But overall, I think that the case is really sleek. It does also come in a nice little white version for those that like a cleaner, minimal look. But for those that are looking for a more dramatic standout, this is what they look like. Up close, you got those blade lights and the buds themselves. The ear tips are also a little darker, matching the top of the case itself. And so if you guys own a pair of the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, or simply watch this video to know what they look like and what they offer, thanks for stopping by. Make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe with notifications on if you haven't already. And make sure to go check out my Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok, where I try to update you guys regularly with what's going on in my tech and lifestyle journey. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay techy.